We made 55 gluten-free vanilla mini cookies in only 25 minutes. The first step is to crack these 2 eggs and get them in the bowl. And now we add 100 grams of plain white sugar. And then we get the whisk tool and we whisk this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes white and fluffy. Now the mixture is perfect and you can see it has become white and fluffy. Now we need the kitchen scale, and the next ingredient is oat flour, and we need 150 grams of this nice flour. And we pour it into the bowl. 150 grams. The next ingredient is sorghum or yoba flour. You can get this online or in an Asia shop. And we need 125 grams of this one. And now we add 25 grams of vanilla sugar. You need a gluten-free version, free from food additives. Look at your package. And now we add the Nemmersen baking powder. And we need exactly 12 grams. Okay. And the last ingredient is 60 grams of melted butter. This is a salted butter, but you can also use an unsalted version. It's a good idea to melt this butter in the microwave oven before you get started, so it is a little bit cooler. And now we use a spatula to mix everything properly. It's a very simple dough. Now the dough is ready. Look at the texture. In the next step, we need 2 pieces of cling film and some nitril gloves, because I don't like messy fingers. We take the dough on top of this first piece of cling film, and now we get the dough on top of the cling film. Okay, in the next step, we place the other cling film piece on top of the first one, like this. And we form a nice dough sausage. In the next step, we will cut the dough into small pieces of 10 grams each and form the mini cookies and bake them. I have prepared a baking rack with some baking paper. Again, I use a mini scale to measure 10 grams each. We actually got 57 small mini cookies out of the dough, so slightly more than expected. And they all weigh at least 10 grams. And these will get a little bit larger But now we will bake these cookies for 11 minutes exactly at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit in our hot air oven. The oven is ready and we place this baking rack in the middle of the oven. Now the cookies are ready and we will take them out of the oven. Look at these. And now we get these onto a cooling rack. Another cooling rack. And I need to use such a tool to get the perfectly done mini cookies from the plate. What we want to achieve is a nice and crispy shell, and these have to cool down properly, then we can use them. And now it is once again tasting time in Nemmersen's kitchen. I have 50 mini cookies in this jar, but we actually made 57. So I have this whole plate just to test. And I will test the big one for crunchiness. Look at this. Perfect cookie. Perfect. Perfect crunchiness. The perfect vanilla taste.